Let's make homemade chocolate bounty bars. Strawberries, 150 grams. Coconut, 80 grams. Vanilla yogurt, 70 grams. Put all ingredients in a blender and blend together. Put them in a loaf pan lined with baking paper. Freeze for 5 hours. Wow, this smells amazing. Cut to your preferred size. Be careful with the knife. The bars are ready. Cover with melted chocolate. You will need around 80 grams chocolate for this recipe. There are your bounty bars. Freeze again. I can't wait to eat them. Nom nom nom. Friendly suggestion: eat them with family and friends.